Welcome back to Auto Insight, where we break down the machines that don't just move people, they make statements. Today we're diving into one of the most extreme luxury performance SUVs money can buy, the 2026 Mercedes-AMG G63 Brabus. This is not just a G-Class with a badge swap, this is a full personality transformation that takes an already outrageous vehicle and pushes it into supercar territory while still wearing the unmistakable boxy silhouette. At first glance, the 2026 G63 Brabus looks familiar, but the details tell a very different story. The iconic G-Wagon shape is still there, sharp edges, upright windshield, exposed door hinges, but Brabus turns the aggression all the way up. The front fascia is redesigned with a deeper bumper, massive air intakes, and signature LED elements integrated into the carbon fiber trim. The hood often features Brabus power bulges or exposed carbon, hinting that something very serious lies underneath. Around the sides, wider fenders accommodate enormous wheels, typically 22 or 23 inches, wrapped in ultra-wide performance tires that look almost comically large for an SUV. At the rear, the spare wheel cover is replaced with carbon fiber, and quad side exit exhausts announce this vehicle long before you see it. Step inside and the transformation continues. The cabin of the 2026 Mercedes-AMG G63 Brabus is where ultra-luxury meets custom craftsmanship. Almost every surface is reworked, from the seats to the dashboard to the headliner. Brabus fine leather dominates the interior, often quilted in intricate patterns, with contrast stitching that can be customized to almost any color imaginable. Alcantara lines the roof and pillars, carbon fiber or brushed aluminum accents cover the trim, and Brabus branding appears subtly but confidently throughout. Even the digital displays receive custom Brabus graphics, making the experience feel exclusive the moment the car powers on. Under the hood is where the G63 Brabus truly separates itself from the standard AMG. Based on the 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, Brabus upgrades the engine with larger turbochargers, revised engine mapping, and performance exhaust systems. Depending on the specification, power figures can climb well beyond 800 horsepower, with some Brabus builds approaching or exceeding 900 horsepower. Torque numbers are equally wild, delivering explosive acceleration despite the vehicle's size and weight. 0 to 100 km/h times drop into sports car territory, making this luxury SUV shockingly quick in a straight line. The exhaust deserves special mention because it's a defining part of the experience. Brabus stainless steel or titanium exhaust systems give the 2026 G63 a sound that is deep, aggressive, and unmistakably powerful. At low speeds it rumbles with authority, while at full throttle it unleashes a roar that feels more at home on a racetrack than a city street. Many systems include valve control, allowing the driver to switch between a quieter luxury mode and a full performance soundtrack. Despite the extreme performance, the G63 Brabus does not abandon comfort or usability. Advanced suspension systems are recalibrated by Brabus to improve handling while maintaining ride quality. Adaptive dampers allow the SUV to feel composed on highways, confident on twisty roads, and still capable when conditions get rough. While most owners will never take it off-road, the vehicle retains the legendary G-Class DNA, including all-wheel drive and serious ground clearance. Technology in the 2026 model remains cutting-edge. Mercedes' latest infotainment system is fully integrated, offering a large dual-screen setup with navigation, voice control, smartphone connectivity, and advanced driver assistance features. Brabus doesn't remove these features, instead, enhancing the environment around them to make the experience feel more exclusive. Ambient lighting, premium sound systems, and custom controls elevate the cabin to a level few SUVs can match. What truly defines the 2026 Mercedes-AMG G63 Brabus is its presence. This is a vehicle built for those who want to be noticed, who want the most powerful, most luxurious, and most aggressive version of an already iconic SUV. It's not subtle, it's not practical in the traditional sense, and it's certainly not affordable for most people. But that's exactly the point. The G63 Brabus is about excess, confidence, and individuality. In a world moving rapidly toward electrification and minimalism, the 2026 G63 Brabus stands as a bold reminder that there is still a place for raw power, handcrafted luxury, and unapologetic design. It's a rolling statement that blends old-school V8 muscle with modern technology and bespoke craftsmanship. For those who can afford it, and for those who crave something truly extreme, the Mercedes-AMG G63 Brabus remains one of the most desirable luxury performance SUVs on the planet. This is Auto Insight, and if you enjoyed this deep look into automotive excess at its finest, make sure to stay tuned for more high-performance machines that redefine what vehicles can be.